In this ceremony today, we will witness the joining of Alexis and Al in marriage and to celebrate the joys of life with one another.
Unlock the cage and free my heart. This is where the journey starts. Now it begins, now it begins.
Al, do you come here today with joy in your heart and hope for your future? Do you promise to be a faithful and loving husband to Alexis?
I do.
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning.
Alexis, do you come here today with joy in your heart and hope for your future? Do you promise to be a faithful and loving wife to Al?
I do.
It's a good day.
Al and Alexis, you fell in love by chance, but today you're here because you're making a choice. You've chosen to be with someone who enhances you, who makes you think, makes you smile, and makes each day brighter.
I was born to breathe the air and take a road that goes nowhere. I'm ready to live, ready to live, ready to live, ready to live. Like a dove, I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day.
Al and Alexis, the foundation of your marriage was formed long before we ever came here today. You started off as friends, and your friendship blossomed into something so much more, affection and love.
Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day.
Al and Alexis, may you remember this day with tenderness and joy. Remember this as the day when the glory and beauty of your most precious lives begins to unfold before you in the most gracious of ways.
It's a good day to be alive.
With all my heart, I, Al, take you, Alexis, to be my partner in parenthood.
With all my heart, I, Alexis, take you, Al, to be my partner in parenthood,
I will be your comrade in adventure
accomplice in mischief.
and your strength in times of need,
I will listen with understanding.
and trust you completely for all the days of my life.
Al and Alexis, may all that you are always be in love, and may all that is love always be in you. By the power of your love, because you have exchanged vows of commitment, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife, and I invite you to seal your vows with a kiss.
Chase down a brand new adventure. Step up, step out and enter in.
I am the brother of this beautiful bride. Very beautiful bride. Go ahead, hear it up here. Come on. We didn't really talk for the first few years of our lives. We weren't really close at all. And then we started working together, and she discovered my wallet with the coffee every morning at Amazon from the vending machines. As if Al's wallet is not enough. But I appreciate him taking that over. I won't have to worry about that anymore.
Searching for new life. Reaching for new heights. Into the daylight. So open your eyes. We're making the climb. Taking the dive. Deep into the wild.
just brings out the better side in AC. AC's always been a good person, but she just enhances it dramatically. And I love to see them together, and I love to see this happening.
Dreams on the horizon, our fears leave them behind us now. There's no time for stalling. The wild, wild is calling. Risk it all.
We could all raise our glasses for my toast. I love them so much, and I love all of you as well. Bless them. Cheers.
Searching for new life. Oh, reaching for new heights. Whoa, into the daylight. So open your
I'm so happy to see them together, and I hope to see them happy for the rest of their lives, and I hope to be there with them. Thank you very much. Cheers!
Honestly, there's no better guy for my sister than Albert. I mean, as you said, they bring out the best in each other. It's amazing to see. I have a blast every time I'm around both of them, and I'm just so grateful to be a part of their family.
Searching for new life. Oh, reaching for new heights. Oh, into the daylight. So open your eyes. We're making the climb. We're taking the dive deep into the wild.
Friends, it gives me great joy to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Albert and Alexis Sabelli.